In this video, I will show you how you can fix notifications not showing problem on any iPhone. Now, if the notifications are not showing on your iPhone, first of all, just open the control center on your iPhone, and under the control center, just tap on the focus mode section. Now, if do not disturb mode or any other focus mode has been enabled on your iPhone, just turn it off from here. After you do that, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Notifications. Now either select the List or the Stack option. After you do that, then just tap on Show Previews. Now if it is on Never, just select Always. Now after you do that, then just go back, and from here just scroll down and look for the app from which you want to receive notifications. For an example, I will select the Messages app. Now if the Allow Notifications option has been disabled, just enable it from here. After you do that, then under the Alert section, just make sure you enable all these three options. Now after that, just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And once the force restart process has been completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to Settings. From here, just tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPhone. After that, just go back to the General settings and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Tap on Reset All Settings. Now it might ask you to enter the passcode of the lock screen, but after you do that, then just tap on Reset All Settings. And by doing this, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And this is how you can fix the notifications not showing problem on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.